So I just want to share with you that I've been a long time tinnitus sufferer, and I know how frustrating it can be. I had awful sleeping patterns, dizziness, and mind-numbing ringing. It got so bad that went to several doctors to consult this issue, and also, like, I tried a lot of pharmaceutical products, but really nothing delivered what they promised. And it didn't get any better. So I was desperate and started searching the internet, and I came across a book written by Jane Hodson, and I read it. And to be honest, I really thought, wow, this lady really knows her stuff, and she knows what she's talking about. Um, and I was at first, skeptical, as you can understand, but I saw that there was a money back guarantee and it was a little investment. And I thought, well, I've got nothing to lose, then, you know, just my health and all these annoyances with the tinnitus. So the book covers and aims at treating tinnitus. And what makes it different is that it tries a different number of approaches. Um, and apparently there are different causes to the tinnitus problem. And it has actually helped cure my tinnitus in the end after following the advice from the book. Um, so the reason why I recommend it is because it's the only solution that I've found to be actually brought back a result and clearing the tinnitus. And to be honest, I've never felt better in my life now. It does, to be frank, take a little bit of time to see good results too, but around 1 to 2 months. But it's really well worth it, and you see good results. And my life is much better now. So if you want to make this annoying ringing issue a thing of the past, then please go and check out the link below. You'll find the treatment blueprint, everything that you need to know to get rid of this annoying health issue. And I wish you all the best of luck to your health. And thank you for listening to my testimony, and take care. And check the link below. Thank you.